are willing to sit in a bag, head up and feet up and leg down, head down for 9 months. This bag is covered. Will you sit for 9 months? You said, now forget about $10,000. 9 minutes I cannot sit. But we all sat for 9 months, right? Whether you accept it or not, we are all getting ready to sit in the mother's womb. We are all getting ready, right? What is the mistake we did? Old age, you know how problematic old age is? And Lakshman Prabhu called you, come to the program. Immediately you came. But if you are 75, come to the program. Where is the program? First floor or second floor? Third floor. Third floor. Is there a lift? Or what time you feed prasad? 9:30 means I cannot digest, I'll have sleeping problem. Will you feed prasad at 6:30? Today the bodies are all relatively young, so you have no problem. New cars. New bodies means new cars. 20,000 miles, 30,000 miles. Nobody is here 80,000 miles. No car has become so old. Anyway, what is the mistake that you have done? You all know from Christianity, what is it? Adam and Eve story, right? We were all in the spiritual world once. We were with Krishna. We were serving Krishna. Everybody was very happy. One day, what happened? One day, we got a desire. Oh, everybody is worshipping Krishna. Why not me? Why not I? That I came, Ahankar, false ego. Krishna said, no, you cannot stay here. You are doing, no. You want to enjoy independent, you want to enjoy independently on your own. So go from here. So everybody knows Adam and Eve story, right? That God said, you eat everything, but not that fruit. That lady said, that snake came and said, you eat that, if you eat that fruit, you'll become God. Really? Immediately they ate. So when they ate, first time they realized they are naked. Second thing, they fell down from Garden of Eden to Eden Gardens, Calcutta. From that big story, Krishna tells in one shloka, Ichcha Dvesha Samuttena Dvandva Mohena Bharata Sarvabhutani Sammoham Sargeyanti Parantapa. Ichcha. He developed a desire. Why everybody is worshipping him? Why not me? Dvesha. When we understood we cannot become like him, immediately we developed envy. When the desire to enjoy independence of Krishna came and envy came, what happened? Dvandva. What is Dvandva? Duality, dual nature. We fell down. Sarvabhutani, all the living entities. So, we showed this. This one. Depending upon our envy, we have got a different one. There are 8.4 million living entities. All the living entities, every living entity has consciousness, means the soul is there. So, we fell down. I want to give you a good example. When I read the shloka a couple of years ago, really, I'll give you the example. There's a nice party happening in this house. You have invited big people, they all came, and you are serving. Your son, supposing he comes and says, Dad, I want your tie, give it to me. Dad, I want your tie, I want your shoes also. And you are talking to 10 people, your son is making noise, what will you do? He'll say, hey, go from here. No, I want your shoes, I want your tie, I want to wear it. Immediately you tell your wife, put this guy in the dark room, lock him up. So supposing, then what you will do? If you don't stop now, I'll put you in the dark room. No, I want the tie and shoes right now. All right, I'll leave you. Go inside. And you'll lock him up. He'll keep on crying. Then you'll say, hey, will you promise me that you will never do this? Yes, Dad, I'm sorry, I will never do. Serious? Yes, alright, come. Next time if you do it, again I'll send you. How many of you have the experience? Children, they imitate fathers. They'll wear father shoes, father dress. Just wait. If you have not, your children they have not done, then father is not there, they'll wear their shirts, coats, shoes, specs. This problem came from, we try to imitate Krishna actually. We want to be Krishna. Serious. The children are lay girls. Same party is happening. I saw this with my own eyes. And mother will be busy making in the kitchen. So, trying to make so many preparations for the guests. Daughter goes, Mom, I want to make chapatis. You get out. Give me the way. Mother says, you can't do it. No, I want to do chapatis. Or whatever you're cooking, I want to cook. She is like 2-3-year-old. Mother says, no, don't come in my way. No, I want to cook. Then what does mother do? She'll bring a toy kitchen, small toy kitchen, and you make chapatis. Immediately this girl, as mother is making for everybody, she'll be doing, actually I saw that with my own eyes. But after some time, there is no truth in this. She'll get bored. By the time mother is ready, I'll hurry bowl, she'll take her in the arms. Same thing here. Krishna's family, instead of enjoying as children, we want to have our own families. Krishna said, alright, go and enjoy. So we started having families. Every century we have one family. 12th century we had a family, 13th century we had a family. And we sang a song, I can't live without you. One day, we leave the body. Don't know when we are going, don't know why we are going, don't know how we are going. But one day we go. Nobody will come with us. If I come to this year, this lifetime, we have a family. If I come to your house after 50 years, you will not be there. For sure, I cannot come to your house in this body after 50 years. Right? So, and this is coming from Krishna. So, what is that? The classification. Jalaja Navalakshani Stavara Lakshavimsati Kramayoridra Sankyayam Pakshinam Dasalakshaya Trimsa Lakshani Pasahat Chatra Lakshani Manava. Depending upon your envy, you will take bodies, different bodies. Jalaja Navalakshani, 9 lakhs aquatics. Stavara Lakshamisati, 20 lakh plants. Stavara means non-living. 11 lakhs insects. 30 lakhs beasts. And 10 lakhs birds and 4 lakhs, 400,000 human beings. Depending upon the consciousness, you see there are how many people? Probably 20-25 people. We all have different consciousness. You know that? No two people in this room are same. Not only we are present in this jail, but we are chained also. Some of you may be thinking, I want to enjoy nicely on Saturday evening. I came to this program. This guy is wasting my time. He is telling I am imprisoned on the top. He is telling I am bound also. I am bound by ropes. Should I go now? My request, don't go. Because I want to tell you why bad things happen to good people. Not only that, you are chained also. Really? I never felt like that. That is the beauty. So in America, for any prison house, they will have 3 different types. A class cell, B class cell, C class cell. A class means political prisoners. They didn't do anything wrong, they spoke against government. So they are given a house. In this house, AC is there, tennis court is there, newspaper comes, but you cannot go out. Then second level is, B class is you just, small thief, pickpocket. You are arrested. In one room, 4 people are there. No AC, only small fan. And newspaper doesn't come. So these people, they want to go to the A class cell. C class, 6x6 room. You have to eat there, sleep there, pass there. You are a serial convict, you have a serial killer. So you are sentenced rigorous imprisonment. You cannot move. Everything there only, you cannot see light. So that type of living entities are plants. Plants are soul, they cannot move. B class cell is like animals, like deers and all. It is snowing, but they have to wait outside. A class cell is us. You have all the facilities. But we are all imprisoned. That's why this prison has a superintendent. Ga means Gamana. Durga. Very difficult to get out. Ga means moving, Gaman, get out. Du, very difficult. That's why the superintendent is called Durga Devi. She is the head. So whatever you ask, I want this car, take it. Okay, I want house, take it. I want family, take it. But you should not ask her one thing. What? Take me out of this. She says, I am giving you all these things to keep you here. Dasara comes, we all worship her. Give me this, give me this, give me this, take, but you stay here. There is a prison by name Alcatraz. How many of you know Alcatraz prison house? Only 2 people. Alcatraz prison house, where is it?
San Francisco, California.
California. This prison is in the ocean. It has a big walls and electrical supply. Government thought nobody can escape. Surprisingly, many people escaped. The ocean has sharks, but see the prison house she made. You never thought you are in jail. Everyone thinks I am happy, I am free. Are you really free? How many of you can control your mind for 5 minutes without even one thought? Can you control your mind for 5 minutes without one thought? Who is controlling? Mind is controlling us. Wife thinks he is controlling husband. Husband thinks I am controlling wife. Children are thinking I am controlling parents. Parents are thinking I am controlling children. But who is controlling? Nobody is controlling anybody. Maya is controlling. Durga, she is controlling through mind. So not only that, we are chained. We will see that. 13th chapter if you read, you will think, why Krishna is speaking about me? Why is he speaking about my biography? Don't worry, it is everybody's biography. Listen very carefully. So, she made this prison house. Nobody thinks he's in the prison. He or she. And we all think we are safe. We don't want to get out. And we think we are free. That is her beauty. I mean her intelligence. Today, I am going to tell you 3 modes. If you understand these 3 modes, this is the beginning of the spirituality of everybody. And before I speak, how many of you have the feeling, you get up in the morning, I am in good mood today. How many felt like that? Good. That is, you are not in good mood, you are in good mode of goodness. Other day, hey, can you come to the Bhagavad Gita program? Actually, I want to come, but you know what? I have to take my children to the school. Then I have to do this. I have to do this. On the top, I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. I want to come. I don't want to. You felt like that? How many of you felt like that? Another day. Actually, I want to go, but I want to sleep. So tiring, you know. Let me sleep. How many of you felt like that too? Weekends, yes. So these are the 3 modes. They control, they guide you. So I'll tell the story. So these are the 3 different modes. You will see all types of people whenever. I'm sure you came across, probably you. Mode of goodness. People who are chained by mode of goodness, they don't want to sin. They want to lead a sin-free life. And they want to acquire knowledge. There they are teaching table tennis, I want to learn. Here they are giving you free Java course, I want to learn. I want to enroll in MBA. I can learn something, I want to do it. Or they are teaching some knitting skills, I want to do. First of all, they want to learn. They are teaching Bhagavad Gita, I want to go. So people in the mode of goodness, they want to learn. They want to lead a sin-free life. When they see somebody is suffering, your heart melts. Alright, there are floods. I want to give donation. Will you give? Very good, they are suffering. Huh?